Have you been looking for a Cape-style home with a open concept first floor, neighborhood setting, and a generous backyard size? You are in luck. My name is Matt with Premier Real Estate, and welcome to 14 Woodland Road, Uxbridge, Mass. Again, we are here at 14 Woodland Road, Uxbridge, Massachusetts. This Cape-style home has something for everybody. We are 3 beds, 2 baths, a open concept first floor, plenty of space upstairs. I cannot wait to get you inside. We were built in 1991. We have just under 2,000 square feet of living area, so a beautifully sized home. We're sitting on just over an acre of land as well. The backyard is awesome with the decks and your privacy back there. We'll check that out just a little bit later on. We have a passing Title V already in hand for you and are on town water. Location-wise, we're off Hartford Ave, West River Road, and we're tucked back in a very nice, quiet neighborhood setting. So while we have the neighborhood feel, we are still close to all things Uxbridge has to offer. You're close to shops, restaurants, you name it. One really unique thing to me, because I like doing it with my family, is you are very close to West Hill Dam. So if you like to walk, hike, bike, run, have the dogs, have the kids, you name it, you almost have your own park just a stone's throw away as well here for you to enjoy on those nice days. So without further ado, let's come on in and let's show this one off. Welcome home. Here we are stepping into your beautiful home, coming from your main walkway off your driveway. You're probably gonna access a different entrance more often, but if you have the friends, family coming over, this is probably where they're coming, and it's just welcoming right off the bat. The hardwood flooring, the wide pine is gonna jump off the screen for you right away when you walk in here, and you have a warm, comforting feeling into your living room, kitchen. Like I mentioned, the open concept here is great. So here we have dining room, large table here, hutches, corner hutches, plenty of space. You have the ceiling fan, 2 nice sized windows in the front, letting in a lot of natural light. Have some more, furniture here. So the room is great, and it flows very nicely into your kitchen. We have the stone granite countertops, nice cabinet space here. I love this island. I can see the kids doing homework here. The friends are over, maybe they're in the dining room table. So when you're cooking here, you don't feel like you're in a box all by yourself. You can easily enjoy and be a part of the conversation. Here we have some extra storage. You could easily add some more cabinets if you want some uppers, some lowers. So the space in this kitchen is really nice. And then also here we have access to the deck through the slider that will get you outside in just a little bit. But plenty of options, a nice kitchen, spacious tile in here in the kitchen. And then off your kitchen, you have your bonus room. So this is a mud room. This could be a great spot. You're coming in, dropping the coats, dropping the boots. You notice we do have the wood stove, so if you wanted to fire that up, warm the house up a little bit more in the winter. But this could be a really flex room, right? Playroom area, officey area if you needed, storage area, a lot of flexibility, whatever you want to do here in this room. Coming down the hall, we flow very nicely into your living room. Again, the wide pine hardwood flooring, jumping off, beautiful hardwood flooring throughout this home. Nice sized living room, you got the ceiling fan, and check out this cool window above, kind of picture frames that, lets in some nice light from the side, 2 looking out the front. Large furniture sectional in here that fits very nice, so you could easily rearrange, put things where you need, TV on this wall if you want. And here, that's a very nice sized TV, and it fits perfect. So just trying to paint the picture, this is a nice, large living room here at Woodland Road. And further down the hallway, we have your first floor bedroom. This could be a flex space as well if you need that first floor home office, the first floor nursery, playroom, you name it. We do have a nice glass door here, so close it out. You're feeling comfortable, feeling private. Good size, as you can see here, we have couch set up that fits beautifully, home office currently, and a nice size closet in here as well. Also on your first floor is your first floor full bath. Tile flooring in this bathroom, a shower tub, and a large linen closet in this bathroom. And when you get here in person, you want to check through this door that takes you to your basement. It is an unfinished basement, but it is a blank space, a lot of room. You do have a bulkhead with a walkout to the backyard. Your washer dryer is also in the basement as well. Welcome upstairs. Here we have two very large bedrooms. We'll take you over to what I consider to be the primary. And off the bat, this is a very good sized room. This is a large king bed, fits nicely. There's a lot of different dressers, furniture in here, and it all fits comfortably. We've got plenty of natural light coming in through these windows, and we also have two closets. It could be the his and hers, whatever you need there, but they're large. The one over here is a walk-in, so plenty of closet space in this primary suite. Bedroom number 2. The hardwood flooring continues in here. And one quick item that I want to point out, you might be saying, Matt, why does it look a little, the wall, what's going on here? It is getting freshly painted. We couldn't just squeeze in the painting before the video, but the painters are actually coming after, right now, filming this, to paint it up. So you're gonna have a blank slate, white, warm, just welcoming room here. Also a very large bedroom. You see the furniture in here, queen beds fitting pleasantly well, side windows, front windows, a great amount of natural light in here. And then you'll have to check this out. This is a massive walk-in closet again. So large space. You could refigure this room honestly if you needed to take this down, extend the room. But this is almost a nursery in and of itself. Very large closet through here. And on your second level is your second full bath. Hardwood flooring in this bathroom, also has a shower tub and a little linen closet in this bathroom as well. And this is probably coming onto my favorite room of the house. But here's the slider right off the kitchen area that we showed you earlier, welcoming you to your private oasis. How cool is this? We have the roof on. You could definitely rescreen this if you wanted. Right now it's open, airy, beautiful spot to hang out. We got the patio furniture, the fireplace. And how cool is this? We got the outside TV set up, and this is actually run through down to the basement. So your cable box and whatnot are downstairs, out of the way, out of the elements. But how fun would it be to have some friends over, grab a cold one, and watch the Patriots game out here on your deck with the fire going, looking over your peace and quiet of your backyard. So absolutely love this spot. As we continue on a little further, you will notice we are tiered down to a second deck. There was an above ground pool at one point. That is no longer there, but you got some options there, right? You could either, hey, let's put the pool back up. B, it's already leveled out. So trampoline, swing set, you name it, we could have the space there. Well, let's come down a little bit further and we'll show you this beautiful backyard. So when you do step down off the deck, you will have a patio that you notice there. Great spot maybe to put a fire pit, have the roast the s'mores over there close to your house. And then as we mentioned earlier, we are just over an acre of land. And how amazing is this backyard? It's peaceful, it's quiet. We have a very nice shed back here for your lawnmower, all those type of storage things that you need for home ownership. But just to hang out, enjoy. Here's a nice flat section down here. Throw the football. We got the disc golf set up here. Just a wonderful place to come, relax, unwind, have the dogs, have the kids. A great place just to run around and enjoy your peace and quiet. Again, we are here at 14 Woodland Road in Uxbridge, Massachusetts. This beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath cape has something for everyone. We are just under 2,000 square feet of living space with a wonderful open concept first floor, hardwood flooring, wide pine throughout most of the home. We're just over an acre of land. A lot of that's in the backyard, some great spaces just to hang out and enjoy. We are town water, passing Title V already in hand. The location is great. We're in a nice neighborhood setting, yet being very close to all things Uxbridge. Highways are close, Route 146, probably 14 minutes, Route 495, probably 20 minutes, and we're also close to West Hill Dam. So this, you really just gotta get here in person to see it, appreciate it for yourself. So that's what we're gonna do, right? My name is Matt with Premier Real Estate, looking to get you in here for your second showing.